Here you will be greeted by your friendly front office staff, and you'll be asked to fill out your patient information. While you do that, you can have a seat in our nice and comfortable waiting room. That should take just a few minutes. If you have any questions, you can always refer back to your friendly front office staff. After you fill out your information, we'll head back. Your audiologist will meet you, and we'll head back here to what we call our otoscopy and ear cleaning room. Have a seat in this chair where your audiologist will interview you and ask you questions about your hearing health history, areas where you might be struggling in, and a few other items which will help us medically clear you for your hearing evaluation. Then we'll look in your ears using our video otoscope, and you can see it up there on the screen. If we need ear cleanings, we can also use the video otoscope to clean your ears, or this nice irrigator here in the corner. Then after we've completed our interview and found out what's going on, we're gonna step around here. You'll have a seat here in the booth. We'll get you hooked up to our testing and diagnostic equipment, and we'll spend a good deal of time investigating your hearing and figuring out exactly how you can hear. And we'll be seated out here watching you, really watching the computer, but then we will travel this way after we've finished our testing, and we'll come in here into one of our fitting rooms. This happens to be my fitting room. Dr. Bayless has another room in the other corner, or in the other corner of the office, and here we will investigate your hearing. We can show you some demonstrations of your hearing loss on the screen for those that are with you as well, to illustrate what kind of effects your hearing may have, and we'll give you your results and then our recommendations.